When I'm evaluating software, I'm figuring out what is it doing for me that I'm manually doing and how much time is that actually saving for me,
Mhm.
right? I'm willing to spend money for something that just gives me a peace of mind or that helps reduce my stress. I'm always stressed if we're going to miss a deadline. I'm always stressed that Social Security is going to blow something and not get associated to a case file. So if there's a software that can help me assail my anxieties, assail my stress related to making a major misstep, that's huge for me. What has changed since we've engaged Chronicle? The biggest thing is that we now have automatic data points sent to us that are actionable, meaning that I don't have to type in function report anywhere. I can create my own third-party automations based off of your data now, right? So you guys are the key players to send me that data that I can hook. For example, let's talk about the consultative examination. Every time I get an email from a consultative examination, I use Zapier to automatically grab that, search for the client's name in a Clio, draft the email to them about the consultative examination and send it to them, and then take a note in Clio that I sent it to them. Every time that happens, I feel happy, which is so ridiculous, but I'm like, yeah, that is awesome. That is really simple, but it has something I've sent 10,000 of those emails. So it's really nice. And also, I get the emails out to the client before they get it, like weeks or a week before they get it. So they're not surprised when they get in the mail. Well, function report's sent out. Guess who gets an email about the function report? Our clients do. And how do I do that? Chronicle and Zapier and Clio. But without Chronicle, I would not have that data to rock and roll. So that's huge for me. Another thing is the initial application to local. I got to verify that that the local office has associated us. How do I do that? Well, Chronicle tells me when a new case shows up in ERE, and I've tied it to Zapier to then close that box in Clio. Like that's that workflow. That's huge. So that automation component is enabled by Chronicle. But without that, I would not be able to do that. How is Chronicle impacted our productivity and efficiency at the office? And does that translate to sort of time savings or economic savings for me? The answer is yes. I do think that it allows us to essentially take the work of at least a 50 to 75% paralegal. Chronicle allows me to level up as a boss and supervisor because I have an easy method to keep a high level view of where we are with cases and firm activities. There's a constant stream of emails from Chronicle about case statuses and documents sent by Social Security and documents that have been received by Social Security. And so I'm constantly reviewing kind of this drip stream or this thread of activities and cases that allow me then to have a high level view of where we are and to identify issues that I need to follow up on or to task. And what I do every morning now is I open up the Chronicle email folder and I just rip through there and I have notifications for all documents sent to me. So I'll get 20 to 30 emails a day and just clear through there. And I can quickly go through and archive them and identify if there's any issues or things that seem a little bit off and I can look into them.